Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nuna, and in this video I will be comparing the Biore Deep Cleansing Charcoal Pore Strips with Philosophy's Purity Made Simple Pore Extractor Mask to see which one is more effective at removing blackheads. I'm going to start off by determining whether these are sebaceous filaments or blackheads by looking at what are the differences between sebaceous filaments and blackheads. So sebaceous filaments or sebum plugs are commonly found on the oilier areas of the face, like the T-zone, and are often found around your nose. They often appear as tiny black or gray dots or specks on the surface of your pores, but are most often smaller in size than blackheads. So sebaceous filaments are not technically clogged pores, while blackheads or open comedones, on the other hand, are actually black in color. They appear when sebum, dead skin cells, and bacteria collect around the opening of a pore and form a little bump called a comedone. They typically have a dilated or widened opening of a hair follicle caused by a buildup of sebum, bacteria, and inflammation. So let's see how to get rid of and prevent blackheads. Unlike sebaceous filaments, blackheads can and should be treated. And getting rid of blackheads can be done with a variety of treatments. The first one is salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is a beta-hydroxy acid which helps to exfoliate the skin and keeps the pores clean. Another way of treating blackheads is benzoyl peroxide. Another treatment that can be used for blackheads is glycolic acid. Glycolic acid is an alpha-hydroxy acid and tends to be less drying on the skin than salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide. So this can help to treat blackheads and other types of acne while also helping your skin retain moisture. And finally, there's retinoids, which are derived from vitamin A. Retinoids such as over-the-counter Differin can help to treat blackheads and other types of acne breakouts by accelerating the turnover of dead skin cells and exfoliating the skin. Keep in mind that whenever you're using retinoids, it will make your skin more sensitive to the sun, so you should ensure that you're wearing a sunscreen during the day. Okay, now let's move on to what I'm going to use today to remove my blackheads. So the first one is the Biore Deep Cleansing Charcoal Pore Strips. Let's see what this is supposed to do. So the Biore Deep Cleansing Charcoal Pore Strips are supposed to unclog pores and draw out excess oil for the deepest clean, while Philosophy's Purity Made Simple Pore Extractor Mask is an exfoliating clay mask for clear and refreshed skin. This creamy pore extractor mask helps to draw out impurities, scrub away blackheads, and visibly improves pores. The gentle yet potent exfoliating formula is supposed to leave skin looking refreshed, smooth, and glowing with less visible pores. Keep in mind that you should always do a skin patch test before trying out a new product. Let's take a look at the highlight or key ingredients in the Biore Deep Cleansing Charcoal Pore Strips. So it has natural charcoal, which is known for its ability to draw out and trap deep down impurities. And moving on to Philosophy's Purity Made Simple Pore Extractor Mask. Let's see what the key ingredients are for this product. So the key ingredient in this mask is the purifying white clay and also salicylic acid, which is supposed to improve the look of acne scars. And then it also has natural exfoliants. Now let's take a look at the directions. For Philosophy's Purity Made Simple Pore Extractor Mask, the directions say to massage onto clean, dry skin, focusing on the T-zone and oily areas. Leave on the skin for 5 to 10 minutes until the clay is completely dry, and then rinse with warm water. For deeper exfoliation, increase the massage intensity when applying and while removing with water, and perform a second massage. Now the directions for the Biore Deep Cleansing Charcoal Pore Strips. The directions say to move the strip from the pouch, twist the strip to loosen and separate slits prior to use. After washing your face thoroughly, wet your nose, dry your hands, then peel off the strip off of the plastic liner. Apply to the nose area, smooth side down and pressing down to ensure good contact with the skin. Let it dry for about 10 to 15 minutes until stiff to touch like paper mache, and then slowly and carefully peel off, starting at the edges, pulling toward the center. In addition to the directions noted on the Biore pore strips, I'm also going to follow the steps used by another YouTuber that I saw. She used baking soda on her skin, massaged it on for a few seconds prior to putting on the pore strips, and it seems to have made the pore strips more effective. So I'm going to also do that in this video, and I'm going to show you guys my before of how my blackheads look around my nose before using these masks, and then I'll show you what it looks like after. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below what you'd like to see next, and subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Thank you for watching.